Right, just a quick one. You might have seen, well, you probably won't have noticed, but my videos are now done using this thing. Well, when they're not on the iPhone anyway. So, I'm going to tell you what I think of it. It's not the best in the world. In fact, I ordered the 1080 version rather than the slightly better version, which can do 4K, I think. I really just wanted to see what they were like. This is on it. It's a little clip mount that you can clip onto things, but obviously there's a helmet mount. I generally had the old GoPro set to 1080 anyway, just to keep the file size down and me now could get lots of video on one card. But the thing that's not so good is the audio, because I did have a mic plugged into the GoPro that was inside the crash helmet and it didn't get the wind noise, whereas this thing, the audio's not very good anyway. The app's a bit clunky. It goes into record every time you connect it, which is really annoying because there's always one more film you have to go in and get rid of. But actually, considering, I mean, I bought 2 of these for, I think it was 88 quid delivered for 2. So they're pretty good for basically a dash cam for the bike, and, you know, doing if you wanted to film like off the back of the bike or down by your feet or something funny like that, but have a decent quality camera on your helmet. I think that's what I'm going to do, is I'm going to buy the real version of this, the Insta360 or whatever it's called, the little one that fits into the GoPro sized case, that's decent quality, and I can connect it to a microphone, etc. So that's the plan. I'm going to do it properly. But this was a bit of fun. It wasn't very much money, and I thought I'd see what it was like. And actually, for day to day, and as a dash cam, which is what I run all the time, just to catch people, you know, pulling out in front of me and all that kind of thing, it's all right. So if you're thinking about one, I'd probably do it, but don't expect it to be, you know, broadcast quality audio or particularly good quality if you get the cheaper one that's not 4K. I'm sure the 4K one is brilliant, but then your file size is going to be huge, and it's with the app that they use, my God, it's going to take you a long time to download anything. It takes a long time even with the 1080 resolution that this thing's on. Anyway, that's enough of me waffling. Hope it helps you out.